Vacustep, step into the alternative. We all know the problem we have as women. We exercise, diet, and in fact lose weight. Not, however, in the area of the stomach, hips, thighs, and buttocks. The Vacustep program is designed to target these cellulite-prone areas specifically to promote optimal results. Through a combination of vacuum and movement, the blood circulation can be improved in the lower portions of the body where cellulite is most seen. Improved circulation, along with the Vacustep technology, can help skin to appear firmer and smoother, and you may see a reduction in cellulite in just 4 weeks of training. Vacustep can help you lose those unwanted inches from your legs, stomach, hips, and buttocks. Increased circulation in the lower parts of the body may result in a better distribution of nutrient-enriched blood, a more active metabolism, and a faster burning of fat and toxins from the body. At birth, we have the total amount of fat cells needed for life. Our bodies do not require large amounts of fat to be stored at these ages. Our fat cells are small and our blood flow is optimal. At the beginning of puberty, females begin to store fat for future childbearing and breastfeeding needs. Because we are typically still active during these years, blood circulation is not yet a problem. As we mature, our fat cells become constricted and congested. We are unable to optimally release fat and toxins into the bloodstream in order to burn them as fuel for energy. This results in storing more fat than is necessary. In some cases, fat cells can join together to create the orange pill skin we know as cellulite. One reason for improper blood circulation is that blood vessels are squeezed into the space between our fat cells, causing a blockade. Once our fat cells open, toxins and stored fat can then be released into the bloodstream and burned off as energy or secreted. As fat is released into the bloodstream, the fat cells shrink, therefore allowing inches to be lost. The Vacustep training plan is to be completed 5 times per week over the course of 4 weeks. Each training session lasts only 30 minutes. On your first visit, a staff member will weigh and measure you in order to track inches lost. After your 10th visit, you will be measured again. Your final measurements will be taken on your 20th visit. To ensure the best results while training with the Vacustep system, the following guidelines are important. No power exercising 3 to 4 hours before and after training. When warming up, the pulse rate should be kept as low as possible. During the warm-up, the blood circulation is activated so that fat can be burned once the actual training has begun. If pulse rate becomes too high, your body can enter an aerobic state and begin burning muscle rather than fat. During training, it is important to keep your pulse rate within your target fat-burning zone. A staff member will help you to determine your target heart rate. The resistance level on the elliptical unit should never exceed level 3. An increase in resistance will cause you to burn more muscle than fat. It is very important to drink water while on the Vacustep. At least 9 ounces of water should be consumed during the training session in order to maintain proper hydration. Healthy carbohydrates should be consumed 30 minutes to 1 hour prior to training to give your body the energy it needs to effectively burn fat. You should never stop moving while on the Vacustep while the vacuum is engaged. Movement allows the blood to flow consistently back through your heart. Do not touch the vacuum dial while the vacuum is engaged. A staff member will set the vacuum pressure for you at the beginning of your session. During the session, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Even breathing helps you to reach the optimal pulse frequency. You are now ready to begin your trial session on the Vacustep. We are thrilled that you have chosen to try our system and believe you will be more than pleased with the results. Please see a staff member to begin your training right away.